In this video, I will show you how to change your delivery location in the DoorDash app. First, what you're gonna wanna do is go to DoorDash. All right, at the very top where you see the address, click on that. Now you can have your saved addresses down here, or you could, have it delivered to. You can have it delivered to nearby addresses. Let's say if you're in a new place, you're not familiar with the area. And the last thing you can do is actually type in the address. So if you were just to do 123 right here, Eckerd Street or Merchant Street. And then all you have to do is choose one to actually change the address. And once that address is changed, you're able to now see the restaurants in that area. And whenever you click order, the person will come to that the address that you just changed to. So that's how you change the address location in DoorDash. Any questions, make sure you comment, ask me anything. I'll reply back. And thanks for watching. Make sure you